How to change profile picture on Rednote app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change profile picture on Rednote app. For that, launch open the Rednote app on your device. Now tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you want to tap on the profile option. You're going to find all the details about your profile. From here, you can change details such as your name, bio, gender, birth date, job, location, education, and background photo. Now, if you want to change your profile picture, go ahead and tap on this camera icon next to your profile picture. Now, from your gallery, you simply want to select the profile picture. You can crop it if you want, then tap on this red button. Now wait for some time, and as you can see, your profile picture has been successfully changed. If you are not able to change your profile picture, that might be because you have not verified your mobile number yet. For that, tap on this gear icon. Then tap on Account Security. Here tap on the mobile option. Enter your mobile number. Then tap on Get Code and enter the verification code. Once you have verified your mobile number, you will be able to change your profile picture. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.